Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to download Tap Color Pro application on your iPhone or your iPad. So let's get started right away. First of all, open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Tap Color Pro and search. Look for the application from TaleFun and then tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app on your iOS device. Wait for the application to download and install, which will take several minutes. Tap Color Pro is a color by number application that is available on both iOS and Android devices. It is known to be a coloring game where you fill in numbered section of images to create colorful pictures. Once you download the application, tap on the Open button to open the app on your device. And that is how you can easily download Color Pro application on your iOS device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.